Morons Hacks.
Hello guys, it's the Morons Hacks, and in today's video I'm going to drive this 535 diesel car E61 to see how is the performance on the extra urban drive. I'll try to show you the acceleration, the full throttle when we can, because this car is really powerful for the normal roads, and always we should be first careful when driving in such conditions with other cars on the road. So let's go and hit the streets. Let's see this baby, how it changed after the remap. 370 horsepower on the engine. Let's see how it goes, like a wind. Okay, let's start. Thank you for watching. Let's go driving this car. go. Like a very fast vacuum cleaner. It's strange. Only this whispering noise and the wind and the wheels and all that power and torque, you fly like a rocket connected to the ground, so effortless. Because if you don't hear anything from the engine, it looks super effortless. An endless acceleration from this 3-liter B-turbo engine is just amazing, guys. It doesn't give you the thrill of and the aggressiveness of the V8 and petrol engines, but it gives you a kind of a feeling that the car is extremely wide and it flies. Actually, it flies, and you hear only the wind. Amazing job, BMW, making such effortless road killing car. This car really can take big distances with a nice fuel economy and great speeds. If you drive the same car with petrol engine, maybe you burn a lot of oil for the same distance, because you know BMW petrol engines, if they are old especially, they burn some oil when in high revs, while here it's not like this in the diesels. I used to drive on manual when driving out of the city because it's easy for me. I want the car to be ready when I want to power from it, so I put the right RPMs and I just put the gas, and there is no lag between putting foot down and actually accelerating. So it's like a manual. When you know that you have to shift down to 1 or 2 gears and step on it when accelerating. That's the thing actually I don't like about the automatic cars, that you have to ask automatic transmission, please give me one more down, please be on my favorite speed right now. Well, the automatic transmission can't know exactly what do you want to do, and of course if you put the pedal right now, he's trying to guess what you're trying to do, to accelerate hard or just slight acceleration. So it always starts accelerating on the same gear, and after that it decides, oh no, I should bring back one gear back, and that's annoying. I don't like this. So that's why I'm using manual mode with plus and minus shifting, and I am on the gear I want. For example, here, second gear. There is no need of first gear in the city actually. Maybe if you're making a heavy drag race, you put on first gear, but it's not the case. In most cases the car is powerful enough, no matter its size, to start from second gear. The first gear is too nervous actually. I don't like it, and it's destroying the gearbox and the shafts. big hit from the back when you put second. Some diesel madness. It's pretty throttle responsive thanks to the remap and the other modifications, which are Wagner intercooler, straight pipe without cuts, without DPF, and pipe accross air filter. Of course, removed turbo flaps is also included. Very nice revving engine, yeah. It revs up to 5,000 RPM, and actually after remapping the gearbox with stage 2, I can decide where and when the gearbox should change. In manual mode it's not changing for me, so that's pretty nice, especially if you want to do some stupid things like sliding on the corners, because otherwise it will switch you to the next gear and it will be a pity. Just put the right gear, put more than 2,000 RPM and just hit the pedal, and the car really responds. And it not only responds actually, but it gains more and more and more until 5,000 RPM. It's a great engine. It's acting like a petrol one with a nice range. Bigger turbo is powerful in the upper range, but as I said, the only thing I'm missing is the nice mighty V8 sound, or V6 sound, or R6 sound. But if it was petrol, it would have to put so much more effort to ride like this. I'll have to put so much higher revs to achieve the same performance as with this beautiful car. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I showed you a little bit of extra urban sporty drive of my 535 370 horsepower and 750 Newton meters monster. This is a silent monster, bringing only whisper from the both turbos, and nothing you hear except a little bit of roaring from the mighty diesel engine and the wind and the tires. That's what you hear when you look at the speedo. You are far above the reasonable driving speed, but that's the beauty of it. It actually takes you like on a flying carpet and brings you to the higher speed very fast, very quiet. For some of you that might be great. For some of the petrol guys that might be annoying, because no any hard accelerating noises, although their RPMs aren't low. Even for a petrol it reached 500 RPM, which is really high revs for a diesel, and not so high for a petrol, however. And guys, thank you for watching. Watch our other videos, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you guys, bye for now.